We're done applying the big lines and grooves or our liquid latex, but there's still one more effect I want to do with it, and that's namely starting to build up some warts. You know, most goblins you see have a couple of warts on their faces, and our goblin's not going to be an exception to that rule. Now, unlike the big lines you did here, you're not going to have like the sweeping motion. You're just going to try and build up in several layers of latex some warts. These should definitely come off the face, so let it dry 2 to 3 minutes and then apply again. I suggest having about 2 to 3 different regions on the face where you have your warts. I usually cluster them about, 1 to 2, maybe no more than 3. And you're probably going to have to apply about 2 to 3 layers on these before they're going to stand out enough and like kind of give more of a grooved, rough appearance on the face. So make sure and apply the liquid latex liberally, but don't do it too much, otherwise it's going to start to drip and run, and that's going to look nothing like a wart.